Welcome to the Mason Pot fam, guys. I'm Jack. We're going to be talking about why you should make your own edibles or consider it, why I love making my own, and why I love taking edibles in general. Why you should consider making your own edibles, for a couple reasons, depending who you are. Are you already going to the dispo or a smoke shop to buy edibles? Are you buying distillate edibles for like 20, 30 bucks for only 100 milligrams? That's a good reason to start buying. Are you somebody that likes to cook in general? Do you think infusing would be fun and dope? Do you just want to save money? And most importantly, I think, besides the saving money fact, have a better, more rounded high. The entourage effect is a great term in the cannabis world that just means more of a well-rounded high, different cannabinoids and terpenes acting together synergistically. And that's what these flower infusions can do, rosin, live resin infusions that you can make with the Mason Pot kit or any method of your choice. So really, you're getting a better product for a better price point. Now you may be saying, oh, it's hard, man. It takes like 2, 3, maybe 4 hours for me to make edibles. That's true. But how long does it take you to go to the store and wait in line and go deal with all that shit? And just for the hell of it, let's just say you're buying, let's just do a little, bear with me here. This is all just off the cuff type shit right now. But anyway, let's say you bought an ounce of flour, right? We're just gonna do an easy calculation of the dosage. So an ounce times 1,000 to get you the milligrams is 28,000. Let's say that's coming in at 32% times 0.32. That's 8,960 milligrams, right? And that, let's just say you made an MCT oil infusion. That's basically 9,000 milligrams in there, right? Let's just say you bought the ounce for a couple $100. Let's put the price to the side for a second. So if we divide that by 100, that's 90 doses of 100 milligrams. If you're paying $20 per dose, that's $1,792, bro, that you'd be paying for the same, milligram count of a lesser quality product. And that's saying you're getting it at 20 bucks, right? Even if your ounce cost you fucking 400 bucks, that's still saving you $1,300. And I don't think it would cost 400 bucks depending where you live. I hope this is like making sense and you're getting my point of the cost value is insane. Like it just, and especially if you have them all on hand, I like the trifecta: MCT oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and butter. And I say trifecta, I put 4 fingers up, but MCT oil and coconut oil are kind of one in that trifecta to me. And you're good to rock, man. Saving money, and it's fun. You get infused shit. And like I said, the high is better, dude, for real, than most shit. Now, I said I would talk about live resin and live rosin gummies that are in the market. Those are my go-to. The Kiva Lost Farms are really good. Live resin, live rosin gummies are good. However, you can do the same shit at home. You can go buy rosin or live resin and make your own edibles. It's really that simple, and it's gonna be way cheaper, just like the flour example. Just know, like anything in life, really, if you do it yourself, it's gonna be cheaper. You're gonna have full control. And the thing I didn't even freaking bring up, dude, is if you're a grower, fucking making your own edibles makes so much sense because you can use your trim, shake, all that good shit. Already vape bud, press bud. There's so many ways to reutilize your flower, man. It's insane. So I hope this edible chat found you well. I'm curious what you think of edibles. It's pretty mind-blowing, right, though, when I see people going into stores spending so much money. The convenience factor they think, and maybe it is for them. And maybe they just get, people get locked in. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. It reminds me when I was bartending, what made me what ingrained this in my head was I could have a special going on of, let's just say, like some Blanton's, like a nice old fashioned with Blanton's. Talking to a guy, and it's like the same price point that day is his Jameson, but he just wants his ginger and JMO or some shit, bro. People get used to the stuff they like, so I get that too. Do you? But I just wanted to do kind of a cost-benefit analysis across the board with edibles. So thanks again for chilling. I'll catch you guys on the next one.